Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev B. If you're new to this channel, welcome, GWAN. For today's style, I am trying to do another protective-ish, volume-ish type of hairstyle. Just a natural, quick, and easy hairdo. So my hair is freshly washed. All that residue that you're seeing, it's all leave-in. So my hair was just washed. I put leave-in in there. I put it away, did my makeup, all that mumbo jumbo. So after doing so, if you want, you could start with your hair defined to match clip-ins that I'm going to put in later on. Or if you want to start with your hair stretched, however you stretch your hair, if it's blow drying it or if it's doing it in braid out, whatever you choose to do. So first things first, I was going for a side bun type of situation with a kinky side part, and to do that I wanted a lot of volume, so I will be using clip-in hair from HerGivenHair.com, and I got my hair in 12 inches and I got two bundles, and it's their coily texture kinky hair. And I did a video on this hair on my channel a couple of months ago, so I will leave the link down below in the description box, the link to the website, all that jazz. So y'all know I'm horrible at explaining how I do my hairdos, so it's better to just demonstrate it than talking. So y'all enjoy the rest of the video. You see potential in the youth, and that's why you chose me. Never have no money from the start, so she coulda never use me. She always have my back, that move me. When them ask her who her man, she say Coily. Beauty, a beauty, a beauty, a beauty. Treat her like a queen, cause she not like no groupie. Beauty, a beauty, a beauty, a beauty. Treat her like a queen, cause she not like no groupie. Anything she want right now, sacrifice. Anything she want right now, not a try. 7 days. When I tell her every bumper clot, it's like music. When she cry for her man, it sounds so acoustic. When I tell her every bumper clot, it's like music. Don't worry, it's just the love that I have for you, you know? Any pussy try for this, my girl, me take a lot of life. When me tell her every bumper clot, it's like music. When she cry for her man, it sounds so acoustic. Me never want a relationship, but she chose it. Me never ask for you, take me ego and bruise it. If she step in the room right now,
not a night. Them a pray if we left right now, that is not a try. Through the hurt and the pain, we find a lot of joy. Me know you cry more time, me see a lot of mine. You see potential in the youth and that's why you chose me. Never have no money from the start, so she coulda never used me. She always have my back, that move me. When them ask her who her man, she say Coily. Beauty, a beauty, a beauty, a beauty. When I tell her every bumper clot, it's like music. When she cry for her man, it sounds so acoustic. When I tell her every bumper clot, it's like music. Once upon a time you make it tick like you a clock. Once upon a time you arched up and broke your back. Once upon a time you used to love why you were act. Then me tell you say me love you but me want it back. Yeah, the way you put it on me. Yeah, the way me breast upon you. But yeah, the way it hard for love you. Yeah, the way me say me love you. Melanin, melanin, boy. That beauty everything. Melanin, melanin, boy. My that beauty everything. It's just the way that she move, she move, she move this way. It's just the way that she move, she move, she move this way. Dirty, dirty love me, get the girl me want it back. Girl them know me love them, why them face and me a act. Roll up with a half a dozen, so me have a pop. Girl them know me have the cheese, so yeah them call me Mac. Yeah the way you put it on me, yeah the way me breast upon you, yeah the way me say me love you, but yeah the way it hard for love you. Pretty face alone no work, y'all we dance I get the earth. Roll up with a spliff, the marijuana rise up from the earth. Man no care about what you have up underneath your pretty skirt. Always have a bag of gal, so me no really have to flirt. If you want to be my gal, you really have to know your worth. Brace up on the thing, me make you feel like say you're giving birth. Pretty little singing bird, come here make we have a word. Pitney off a bounce, so come here make we start a little earth. Melanin, melanin, boy, that beauty everything. Melanin, melanin, boy, my that beauty everything. It's just the way that she move, she move, she move this way. It's just the way that she move, she move, she move this way. True crime, girl, the way that you move, turn me on. Two time, girl, the way that you move, turn me on. It's just the way that she move. It's just the way that she move. It's just the way that she move, she move this way. Melanin, melanin, boy, that beauty everything. Melanin, melanin, boy, my that beauty everything. It's just the way that she move, she move, she move this way. It's just the way that she move, she move, she move this way. Once upon a time you make it tick like you a clock. Once upon a time you arched up and broke your back. Once upon a time you used to love why you were act. Then me tell you say me love you but me want it back. Yeah the way you put it on me, yeah the way me breast upon you, but yeah the way it hard for love you. Yeah the way me say me love you, say me love you, say me love you, say me love you, say me love you. Where you put it on me, yeah, the way me breast upon you, but yeah, the way it hard for love you, yeah, the way me say me love you, melanin, melanin, boy, that beauty everything, melanin, melanin, boy, my that beauty everything. It's just the way that she moves, she moves, she moves this way. It's just the way that she moves, she moves, she moves this way. Dirty, dirty love me, get the girl me want to back. Girl them know me love them, why them facing me a act. Roll up with a half of those, saw me have a pop. Girl them know me have the cheese, so yeah them call me mop. Yeah the way you put it on me, yeah the way me breast upon you, yeah the way me say me love you, but yeah the way it hard for love you. Pretty face alone no work, y'all we don't get the earth. Roll up with a spliff, the marijuana rise up from the earth. Man no care about what you have up underneath your pretty skirt. Always have a bag of gal, so me no really have to flirt. If you want to be my gal, you really have to know your word. Brace up on the thing, me make you feel like say you're giving birth. Pretty little singing bird, come here make we have a word. Pitney off a bun, so come here make we start a little earth. Melanin, melanin, boy, that beauty everything. Melanin, melanin, boy, my that beauty everything. It's just the way that she moves, she moves, she moves this way. It's just the way that she moves, she moves, she moves this way. True crime, get the way that you move, turn me on. Two time, get the way that you move, turn me on. It's just the way that she moves. It's just the way that she moves.
Now this is my final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was very helpful. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn.chev. Every single information that you need to know about this hair and about the products that I use in the video will be down in my description box below. I hope you guys like this hairstyle. Comment down below, like, share the video, tell me how y'all feel about this hairdo. Okay, I love you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.